I want to ask you, what does it truly take to convince enterprises to adopt AI when it comes to operations where failure isn't an option truly?
And I have an addition to that question on building a product from a research stage to a pilot and making it market ready, especially an AI product. How are the investors reacting to it?
Fantastic. I started it with the beginning, two powerhouses asking the question. So thank you so much. I'll try my best. I'll go with the investors reacting. I see tremendous amount of propensity in investors. We're backed by Kalari, huge support from Vani Kola herself, who is invested in tech that is not just deep, but really is solving world problems. So we also are backed by Java, which is a US-based Bhargavi Vijay Kumar. So we see a lot of investors that we are talking to. I have at least 2 emails every month requesting for a conversation on the product that we have built. Now, that is again data and evidence that investors are keen to invest in products that are simplifying, yet at the same time solving for a real-world problem. Now, the next question that you have, the first question that you asked is how are you going about having a dialogue on AI being at scale, and what drives that adoption? Show them the money. I think for natural disasters, I always say we are sitting at 4 seasons. What if there was a scenario where I could show you on the dashboard or on any desktop device or a phone that you have, what is the risk exposure of this building today if flood happens? I'm very sure it will at least edge the right side of your mind, which is called the curious mind. I want to know my score before the flood happens. By the way, we are not forecasting floods. We are not forecasting any season. We're just telling you, if flood happens today at 4 seasons and around this area, what is my risk? Fast forward, we are also able to tell you why the risk is at a particular level. And this risk, the way you look at it, is in a map view. You use Google Maps, you use Uber, you know how to read a map, it's the same view. Now, the way for adoption is when I tell you that if 4 seasons doesn't stay tomorrow, what's the financial damage? How many people will not turn up? How many footfall will they lose? For example, we just did a research-based work because there was a storm called Shan. It's in the US, I won't go into the details. But one of the large marts, which we call the Walmarts of one of the equivalents, they were shut down for 3 months because of flood. $11 million of damages because they were shut down. We could show them the money. That drives adoption. It's universal with government and private sector. Money does not discriminate how you